pizza! You know what? We're gonna be cooking DiGiorno. Cause why not? A pan! A nice circular foreign pan that is good for cooking a pizza. Now, and there you go, a nice perfectly intact pizza. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. How do you open the pizza? Well, first, how do you open this? Not like for real, how do you open it? We have gotten the pizza open. Sausage is getting on the ground, but it's okay. So you lay the pizza on here. There you go. And look at that perfectly formed pizza. Now, lift this up. Put it in there. Close the oven.
Hey, quick question though. Like, are we gonna preheat the oven?
We're black. We don't do that.
Alright.
Put it on 450. Wait 5 minutes. How do you think this pizza's gonna taste? Good answer! Well, hi! We're back here again. Make sure to get an oven mitt because it's been about 20 minutes and we're about to open this.
You just break it.
We're about to open this. Alrighty, the pizza is all done. Now we just put it up there. Just broke that, but it's okay. I'm gonna try to fix this real quick, guys. Hold on. I should probably turn off the oven. Yeah, it looks about broken to me. Alrighty, guys. Look at that. Now we need the pizza cutter to cut the pizza.
What's up, bro? Yo, man, are you good, bro? You alright? Is it good?
Try this.
Bro, that's so hard, Rich.
Back to the basics, my middle name Jason, I'm dark like the basement. Yo, bitch, give me face on an everyday basis. I never had braces, I don't fuck with Satan. My new bitch a Asian, we take a vacation. You sweet like a raisin, I'm fly like a raven. I might make some Cajun, I fuck with Caucasian. My dick game amazing, get served like a patient.